How to download and install the latest version of Python window. First, open Chrome, search for Python. Click on the first link. This is the official Python website. Click on the download button. Download the latest version of Python. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Check the box that says Add Python to Patch. Click on Customize Installation. Click Next. In the Advanced Options screen, click Next again. Now click on Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Close. Open command prompt, type Python and press enter. If Python is installed correctly, you will see the Python version on the screen. Next, open the Windows search bar, type IDL and open the application. Now let's run our first Python program. Type print hello. Press enter. The output will appear on the screen. To save the file, click on File and then Save. Save the file as demo.py. You have successfully installed Python and run your first program.